सावधान, सिद्ध, ब्रह्मनाथ। शांति शांति शांति।
Hello students, good morning. Welcome back to my class. In previous class I had discussed some features of partnership, and in this class I am going to detect some notes relating to importance or advantages or benefits of partnership. Okay, so write down the headings: importance, IMPORTANCE, or advantages, ADVANTAGES, advantages or benefits of partnership. Okay, so first side heading, easy to form. FORM, form, easy to form. First side heading is your easy to form, FORM. Okay, write it in this heading. This form of organization, FORM, form of organization, ORGANISATION, organization, don't require any legal formalities to start, as in case of a joint stock company, as in case of a joint stock company, full stop. A simple agreement among partners is sufficient to start. A simple agreement among partners is sufficient to start a partnership business. A partnership business, full stop. A partnership deed is necessary. Is not necessary. NECESSARY, is not necessary, comma, though THOUGH, it is advisable to prepare. It is advisable, ADVISABLE, advisable to prepare the same, full stop. Then continue. The registration of a partnership is also optional. OPTIONAL, optional, full stop. Then second side heading, more funds, MORE, more funds, FUNDS. Write down under the side headings. In a partnership, the resources of resources, resources of more than one person are available for the business, full stop. Full stop. As it is comparatively, 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 a large scale business, comma, partners contribute accordingly, ACCORDINGLY, full stop. More and more partners can be added, ADDED, comma, if capital needs are large, full stop. A partnership can also arrange funds from outside. A partnership can also arrange funds, FUNDS, from outside, full stop. Okay, give next side heading, that is third number, greater managerial talent, GREATER, greater managerial, MANAGERIAL, managerial talent, TALENT. The partners may be assigned, ASSIGNED, the partners may be assigned duties according to their talent, full stop. Different functions of the business are managed by different partners. Different functions of the business are managed by different partners, full stop. Then continue. The talent, TALENT, comma, experience, 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 and knowledge, KNOWLEDGE, in different fields, FIELDS, can be used for the welfare of the business, welfare, WELFARE, of the business, full stop. This is why there is greater managerial talent, GREATER, greater managerial talent in a partnership business, full stop. Okay, next side heading, that is number 4. Write it, promptness in decision making, PROMPTNESS, promptness in decision making. Write under the heading, partners meet, MEET, frequently, 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 and can take prompt decision due to this factor, Due to this factor, the business generally don't lose any business opportunities. Don't lose any business opportunities. Next side heading, that is number 5, sharing of risk. RISK. Sharing of risk. Write down under the heading, in a partnership business, the risk of business is shared by more persons. Risk of business is shared by more persons. Full stop. The burden of BURDEN, the burden of every partner will be much less as compared to COMPARED, compared to the burden of a sole trader. Full stop. Again I repeat the sentence. The burden of every partner will be much less as compared to the burden of a sole trader. Full stop. Full stop. Moreover, due to less fear of risk, FEAR, fear of risk, the expansion of EXPANSION, expansion of the business is not hampered, HAMPERED. Full stop. Next side heading, that is number 6, relationship between reward and work. Relationship between reward, 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 and work, WORK. The partners try out to put more labor, LABOUR, to earn, EARN, more profits. Full stop. There is a direct relationship between reward and work. There is a direct relationship between reward and work. Full stop. The more they work, comma, the more they will be benefited. The more they work, comma, the more they will be benefited. The more they work, comma, the more they will be benefited. BENEFITED, benefited. Full stop. The more they work, comma, the more they will be benefited. Full stop. Next side heading, that is number 7, more possibility of growth and expansion. POSSIBILITY, more possibility of growth and expansion. EXPANSION. Okay, write it. As compared to a sole trade business, as compared to a sole trade business, comma, a partnership business has more possibilities of growth and expansion. Full stop. The partners can contribute contribute more MORE and manage the business manage the business more systematically. SYSTEMATICALLY, more systematically. Okay, so this is all about your notes, that is importance or advantage or benefits of partnership. Okay, write it in your notebooks properly. Okay, so thank you.